So now let's have a look at the solution to this task. We had to define that we had to create a predicate and say that the two parameters that it gets are of type move, and they are inverse to each other. So one goes up, the other one goes down, one goes left, the other one goes right. Let's see how to implement this predicate in our grid. So let's create a new predicate. Let's call it inverse moves. We have move A and move B, and then we can use a predicate maybe. So we can basically do this by using other predicates. Otherwise, we would have to kind of list the cases. So we have something like up down AB or up down BA or left right AB or left right BA, and then we need these predicates that we just defined. So predicate up down would simply say that A equals up and B equals down, and then we instantiate it here with both directions. So this is how we're checking that A and B are inverse in up down or down up. And then we need the left right, so we can create a new predicate left right, and this can be again move A, move B, and A would be left and B would be right, and then we could put this into some kind of guarantee, maybe an initial guarantee, or maybe an always guarantee that says inverse move off, and we instantiate it with the two that we have, the move rob and the move drone. So then the robot and the drone, they would have to move inverse to each other. We already had this thing unrealizable before because of this coordinate sum here, so let's remove that now and check realizability. Can't resolve left right because this doesn't exist. Now it should look better. Yep, now this is realizable. And if we synthesize a controller, we will probably have to wait a bit. Oh, but we should see here, at least just by quickly looking at it, they look quite inverse to each other. So, oh yeah, there's a lot to look at. Okay, so I guess we can trust this. So this would be the solution. I mean, you can spell this out in a single predicate where you do all the case distinctions here. Basically repeating this with both directions and then repeating that with both directions. But you see that you probably have a use of this predicate here in inverse move instead of repeating all the case distinctions all the time.